welcome to another episode of Chasing Mysteries Gardens. I'm Rebecca, and today we are back in the kitchen to do a simple spice blend recipe. This time of year, we love to eat corned beef. It is around St. Patrick's Day, and it is just something that we have had in our house for many, many years, and it's something that I personally look forward to. I only eat it once a year because it is a fattier cut of meat. So I only try to eat it once a year, but it is one of my favorites. So this year we went to make our corned beef, and normally, at least around our area, they include a little spice packet that goes in with the meat packaging. And that little packet wasn't there. So what do? Normally, the cut of beef that you use for corned beef is really bland, and you include the spices in the cooking water to give the meat some extra flavor so that it's not so bland. So today I am going to show you a recipe on how you can make your own corned beef spice blend. For this recipe you need 2 tablespoons of peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of coriander, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon of anise seeds or dill seeds, 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and 4 large bay leaves that we will then crush up. You're also going to need a cast iron skillet for this. It doesn't have to be cast iron, it just makes the heat be more even in the pan for when you are toasting these spices. So we want this to get warm. It's hot already. Now we are going to add our peppercorns, the coriander, the mustard seed, and the dill. And we are just going to give this 2 to 3 minutes to toast all together until it starts to become fragrant. Just want to give that a stir. So just a tip, these mustard seeds right here, they are going to start popping once they get hot. So you'll want to cover your pan with something. Otherwise, you're going to have mustard seeds flying all over your kitchen. So while that is warming up, we're just going to break up this bay leaf. There's actually 4 pretty decent size and then 1 small one. And you just want to crumble that into small pieces. You know this is toasting when you can start to see smoke. Also, the oil seasoning that I have on my pan's also burning off a little bit, and that's okay. So I don't know if you can hear it, but the mustard seeds are starting to pop. Let's see if you can see these popping. So once this has toasted for 2 or 3 minutes, it gets fragrant, you want to add your pepper flakes and your bay leaves, and then just toast this for 30 seconds or so. And there you have it. Now you want to get these into a bowl because you don't want the spices to burn. This pot is really heavy. And now this is ready to put in your corned beef. You can use as much or as little of this as you like. Just add it into the water. You could put it in a spice bag or some cheesecloth so that the spices aren't all over your meat. But we prefer to just put it in the water and let it steep in the water alongside the meat. And then we also put our cabbage and carrots in there as well. Smells like St. Patrick's Day. So anything that you don't use, you just want to keep in an airtight jar. Oh, I'm getting it all over. Maybe a funnel. A funnel might be helpful. And there you have it, your corned beef spice blend. If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more. And as always, Suki Suki, love the earth, love yourself, love each other. Till next time.